Hello everyone, and welcome back to Hobbyist Artist. Today we're creating a dramatic Grim Reaper pencil drawing. If you enjoy fantasy artwork, mysterious characters, and detailed pencil sketches, this tutorial is for you. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new drawing tutorial. Every week, I share step-by-step videos featuring fantasy characters, superheroes, movie icons, anime, and classic cartoons. Let's start with a light pencil sketch. Begin by drawing the overall outline of the hood. The Grim Reaper's face is hidden beneath the cloak, so focus on creating a deep, dark opening inside the hood. This simple feature immediately gives the character a mysterious appearance. Next, sketch the flowing robe. Use long, curved lines to show how the fabric hangs naturally. Don't worry about making every fold perfect. Loose flowing lines often make the drawing look more dynamic. Now it's time to draw the famous Scythe. Start with a long curved handle, and then carefully add the large blade at the top. Take your time with this section, because the scythe is the centerpiece of the artwork. Small decorative details can make it look even more unique. Once the main shapes are complete, refine the folds in the robe and strengthen the outline. Add texture to the handle and clean up the edges of the blade. These little details help make the drawing more interesting. Now outline everything with darker pencil lines. This is where the character really starts to stand out. Erase the construction lines to give your artwork a clean and professional appearance. Next comes shading. Since the Grim Reaper is usually surrounded by darkness, use darker values inside the hood, beneath the robe, and around the folds of the fabric. Leave lighter areas on the outer edges to create contrast. The combination of light and shadow gives the drawing depth and makes it more dramatic. Remember, don't rush the shading process. Build up the shadows gradually using soft pencil strokes. This creates smooth transitions and gives your artwork a polished look. One of the best ways to improve your drawing skills is by practicing different textures. In this drawing, you can experiment with smooth cloth, rough wooden handles, and metallic surfaces on the blade. Our Grim Reaper drawing is now complete. I hope you enjoyed following along and learned some new sketching techniques. Every drawing is another step toward becoming a better artist. So keep practicing and enjoy the creative process. If you liked this tutorial, please leave a like and share it with your friends. Also, let me know in the comments which fantasy or horror character you'd like me to draw next. Thank you for watching Hobbyist Artist. Keep creating, keep improving, and I'll see you in the next drawing tutorial. Happy sketching.